Right, so today I'll be reviewing the Betron ELR-50 golden headphones. You know, it's a pretty well packaged headphone. You can get more information from Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. But basically, I'll be taking this out the package to see how it feels. I got this because the driver unit is about 9.2 mil. The impedance, which is 16 ohms plus or minus 15%. Sensitivity is 98 plus or minus 3 decibels. The frequency response is 20 to 20 kilohertz. Maximum input power is 5 megawatts, and the cable length is 1.2 meters. So I'll take this out. Comes for a package, looks beautiful. Just quick sight. I could tell it hasn't got like microphone adjustable piece on the headphone, but it's quite sturdy. It's got a golden finish, and you've got like in this little pouch or this little bag or basket, you've got like a couple of headphone gear. So if you've misplaced your earbuds, you can actually get possible replacements. Here you've got multiple or various models or specifications. You've got the clip hanger, clip onto your shirt if you prefer to use that, or you can use that whilst jogging. Just basically because this is in like a wireless headphone. So it's looking quite good. It's also got the warranty on the product. So so if it gets damaged, you can based off of what the warranty requirements are, you can always return for a new headphone. You can also register the product, which is quite good. You don't get that with conventional headphones that you get off Amazon or off local stores nowadays. So it's quite good. So I'll take out the headphones themselves in a minute. Now I would proceed to take out the headphones and remove the wire locks. But you can tell it's a considerable size, so you don't really need to worry about yanking the headphones whilst moving a very short distance or whilst jogging. You've got quite a considerable length of cable here. If there's anything I love, it's the golden finish. It looks quite beautiful. I'll take out the plastic there so that it provides continuity between my headphone jack and my phone. The earbuds, are properly made too as well. Nice golden finish. Just makes you want to take this out the box every day and go for a jog, listen to music, and I'm pretty sure the output would be beautiful too as well. But it's looking very clean, looking very alluring. I just want to plug this into my ears. So the pros for me is that it's sturdy, it's got a golden finish, it's got a considerable length of cable, the output is lovely. I've tested it, it's lovely. But the con for me is that it hasn't got like an inbuilt microphone. So if you're having to receive an incoming call, you need to get your mobile phone quite close to your mouth. But overall, it is a decent headpiece. It's cost effective, and the output is beautiful. If you're concerned with basically just jogging, it is the one for you. But if you're more about taking phone calls, then you might think about getting a different headpiece. Thanks for listening. I hope you subscribe for more videos, and catch you soon. Bye now. Bye.